Let's move on to setting up Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. SMTP allows you to send emails from your own domain instead of RevenueHunt's servers. Go to App Settings, then open the SMTP Settings tab. Here, you'll enter the Simple Mail Transfer Protocol credentials provided by your email service. This information is usually found in your email provider's documentation. Just search for SMTP settings and your provider name. You can also check our docs for links to common providers. For this tutorial, we'll use email credentials from a free service called Ethereal. We'll copy the email address and fill it in the SMTP from field together with the sender title. Next, paste the server address, which usually starts with SMTP. Then enter your username and password, often the same as your email login, though some platforms like Gmail may require an app-specific password. Enter the correct port number. Choose the authentication method, like plain, and select the appropriate security setting. Once everything is filled out, click Save to test the connection. Be sure to double-check the values. A single typo may cause the connection to fail. If the test is successful, all emails to respondents and admins will now be sent from your own email server. To learn more, visit our help center at docs.revenuehunt.com.